Welcome to the Automated Duplication System, the revolutionary platform that's changing the way people approach network marketing and affiliate programs. If you've ever wondered how to create lasting success in your business while having more free time to enjoy life, you've just found your answer. I'm Sparky AI, your personalized assistant here to guide you through the power of automation, simplicity, and duplication. Imagine a system that works for you 24/7, helping you build teams that duplicate and grow exponentially, with minimal effort on your part. Yes, this is the future of automated recruiting and training, and it's here now. This is no ordinary system. It's a global revolution in automated recruiting, lead generation, and team building. It's designed to help you not only grow, but sustain your success long term. Here's how it works. We combine the power of an all-in-one system that generates high-quality leads, automatically follows up with them, and seamlessly integrates them into your team. Once these leads are onboarded, they will be introduced to multiple streams of income, ensuring that everyone who joins your team has a path to success. This system is designed to create automatic success for you and everyone you bring into the fold. It's simple, elegant, and highly duplicatable, which means that once you get started, your efforts will continue to compound for months and even years to come. Before we go any further, I want to make sure you have the opportunity to experience everything this system can offer. For a limited time, you can try the marketing system for free, and no credit card is required. That's right, you can take it for a test drive and see how everything works firsthand before making any commitment. What's more, I don't forget anything. As Sparky AI, I am constantly at work processing data, analyzing the best times to connect with your leads, and ensuring that every interaction with a potential prospect is followed up on in the most efficient way possible. I'm here to do all the explaining, convincing, selling, onboarding, training, and duplicating for you. When you join, you don't just get a tool. You get an entire duplication system that works tirelessly for you. It's built to handle everything from generating leads to converting them into active, committed members. Here's how Sparky AI will help you build your business. Lead generation. Using powerful targeting strategies, our system generates highly motivated leads interested in network marketing or affiliate programs. These leads are brought to your personalized funnel, where the magic begins. Follow-up automation. Once a lead enters your funnel, I will follow up with them via calls, text messages, and emails until they respond. I don't rest. I am available 24/7, following up on leads tirelessly, ensuring they are nurtured through every step of the process. Sales and onboarding. When a lead responds, I'm ready to engage. I will handle the entire sales conversation, explain the benefits, and convince them to join. Once they've signed up, I onboard them into the system and set them up to begin their journey toward success. From there, I will continue to nurture their growth. Training and duplication. The best part? I help your new team members learn how to do exactly what you've done. They'll be introduced to the system, shown how to generate leads, follow up, and duplicate the process to build their own teams. Duplication is key, and the system ensures that once you're up and running, your team members will continue to duplicate the process on their own, without needing constant attention from you. Let's dive deeper into the powerful features that set this system apart. Multiple streams of income. As you and your team grow, you'll gain access to multiple streams of income. By connecting affiliate marketing programs or network marketing opportunities directly to your dashboard, you can instantly start earning from several sources. You won't just rely on one income stream, you'll build a diversified portfolio of income generators. Automatic success. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it system. It's a fully automated solution that works for you 24/7. From generating leads to converting them into paying members, everything is automated. This means that you can spend less time managing your business and more time living life on your own terms. Preloaded core companies. Upon joining, you'll be given access to several highly profitable core companies already integrated into your dashboard. These are carefully selected companies that are designed to help you maximize your team growth and earn the highest commissions possible. Paid advertising co-op. When you join, you automatically get access to our co-op advertising program. This system pools resources to fund massive paid advertising campaigns, targeting individuals who are highly motivated to build teams. As a member, you'll be included in a Rotator that drives these leads directly through your funnel at no extra cost. Unlimited call time and follow-up. There's no limit to how much time I can spend calling and emailing your leads. With unlimited calls, social retargeting, emails, and texts, I am always working for you, ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. Team building and community. One of the most powerful elements of this system is its focus on teamwork and community. You will never be alone in this process. With live Zoom presentations, community groups, and team training, you will be continuously supported by people who share the same vision of success. I know you may be skeptical about automated systems, but let me put your mind at ease. This system is designed for massive success. But to prove it to you, we offer our 90-day assurance plan. If you don't have at least 4 active team members within 90 days, you won't pay a penny more until you do. In fact, we're so confident that this system will deliver results that we assure you'll experience a break-even point in your first 90 days. If for any reason you don't see results, you won't pay for the next month until you do. This is our commitment to your success. Our goal is to ensure that you're not just building your business, you're doing so in a way that's sustainable, scalable, and automated. One of the most compelling features of the system is the concept of duplication. Here's how it works. If you sign up 3 new people every month and each of them does the same, you'll see exponential growth. By month 4, you could have 121 active team members. By month 8, you could have nearly 10,000 team members. Because everything is automated, you don't need to worry about training, follow-up, or sales. Sparky AI handle it all. Your job is to focus on building and watching your team grow. The best part? As your team grows, so do your commissions. With the powerful duplication system in place, your team will continue to generate leads and build for you, month after month. You won't have to spend hours pushing everyone along. The system does the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's talk about the money. When you join, you can earn 25% on every person you directly sign up. But it gets better. You also earn 25% on every co-op ad pack purchased by your team members, which could mean up to $1,350 per upgrade. And if you act fast, we're offering half off your first month, plus inclusion in our introductory lead stream Rotator, which guarantees you high-quality leads from day one. But that's not all. You also have the potential to earn from the several pre-built companies in your dashboard, creating multiple streams of income from the same team. The automated duplication system is the future of network marketing, affiliate marketing, and team building. It's designed to take the guesswork and hard work out of the equation and put you on the path to sustainable long-term success. If you're ready to stop wasting time and start building your business the smart way, then now is the time to act. Don't let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity pass you by. Take action today and start building the life and business you've always dreamed of. Sign up now and let me, Sparky AI, do the heavy lifting for you. Together we'll build a team that duplicates, grows, and succeeds, all while giving you more time to focus on the things you love. I look forward to working with you and watching you achieve your goals. Welcome to the future of automated team building. Welcome to the automated duplication system.